Once you run the program, and you will be requested to enter your credential from the account that you created for free. And once you enter your credential, you'll be getting the screen. Now, the first screen, the one that we have here, it's like a wizard which will guide you how to use it, and I don't need that right now. And before starting any reconnaissance phase, you see that he can add for you some additional transform. By the meaning is he's usually searching in different websites. But what if you need to look for a specific topic? For instance, he got here an additional feature for free that allow you to search inside movie. So you write a movie name and he will search everything related to movie. Let me just increase the screen so you can see. Okay, so he can search in a movie database. I mean, he already have some built-in library, but those are additional. So I can click on install and click on yes. Okay, you can see that he can search in Bitcoin database, which is very, very useful, as we're going to see later on. So this has been added. So now one of the options that you will find that he can search inside movie database, Bitcoin, news link, and some of them are free and some of them are paid. And they used to update that. I mean, you can, whenever you open the program, click on update transforms. And if any new library has been added, it will be there. But if you didn't choose anything from here, it will not affect your program because it already have a library which you can use. So it's a very dynamic program. Getting back, I need to create a new file. So we're going to go up here. Let me just simplify that for you. And we're going to click on this icon here, which will allow you to create a new investigation sheet. This is sometimes called investigation sheet. And from here, as you can see, we have on the left pane what we call entity. Entity mean what exactly you need to search for: a domain, a person, a website, a URL, a location. So here you choose what you need to search for. And on the right side, you will find the satellite view. So let's start one by one and see how we can utilize or how can we use Maltego. So I'm going to go to the entity screen. Let me just increase it one more time. Sorry. And let's go here. As you can see, he's asking you, are you looking for an infrastructure, location? Are you looking for penetration testing, personal? It's a big program actually, and you can keep trying. So let me go, for instance, infrastructure, and let me get a domain. I'm looking to get information about a company. I know the company domain. I get an offer that I need to get information about that, or I need to get some emails for people who's working in such company. Okay, you can put an IP address, you can put an MS record, it's a mail record. You can, choose and keep track. A specific URL, you need to get information about specific URL. Let me take that. Any entities that you need to search about, you just drag it and drop it here. Okay, location. If you have a GPS coordinate, if you have a location. Let me go to personal. Personal is very, very useful. I can choose a personal. So I can grab the person like that and put it here. Or a phone number. I have a phone number I need to search for. Or email address. Very, very useful. Sometimes I got an email. I need to get more information about this email. Where this email has been hosted or posted. Maybe he got, I'm searching, I'm gathering information about someone. So I'm searching his email. I can see that, for instance, he got some email on some website where he are interested in car, buying and selling car. Maybe this will be a solid piece of information that I can utilize later on social engineering. I know that this guy know and his interest into car issue and so on. You can search for Facebook, you can search, it's a very, very big program actually. Okay, but just a proof of concept. Now, how can I change that? How can I change those information? So for instance, if I need to change this domain, I can double click on it and just write another domain name. So we can type, for instance, let's see, hsbc.com. And if I'm looking for someone for any personal, same issue. For instance, I can type here Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Okay, and so on. And if I have a phone number or anything, same issue. And then what we can do, we can just right click on it, the tool, and I can run any of those transform. So for instance, I can get to them. You can keep trying those. I need to get, for instance, mail address related to this website. I need to get some mail for people who's working on HSBC. So I can go here and type on email address, and he's gonna start searching. Now notice on the right, we have here the satellite view, and it's showing you the activity that we are working on. Let me minimize, or okay. I can right click, and as you can see, he's getting us results, and he's getting you email related to this website. Let's see what else we can get. So we can also search for email address with a signature. Anyone that has using HSBC signed email, which will be more specific. I can right click here and I can search for, let's see if we can get IP as well. I mean, you'll find a large amount of inquiry that you can run on this specific domain. So phone numbers, I need some phone numbers for, and you can see that he keep getting you emails and related to this specific website. So for instance, this is someone working in HSBC in US, or this is someone working in HSBC's main office. And imagine if you are doing that on a smaller scale. I mean, I choose a big target, but if you need to get more information about people working on a company, see how such information will be useful. I can get contact number, I can get email, I can get a lot of information. Let's see what else I can get. Time zone, no. Okay. Email. You can get even a related website, website that is related to this website, maybe a sub website or an event that happened to HSBC. So you can keep running and see what option I can get. And definitely, if you add some transforms from the first screen, it will show here.